Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I built this second-hand barn style greenhouse. I'm going to tell you my thoughts on whether it was worth it or not. Hope you enjoy. We had these old concrete pads left over from the previous greenhouse. They're just 16 by 16 by 2.5 inches. The base is just some bedding sand that I spread around with a rake. That was already here from the previous greenhouse. I didn't worry about compacting the ground too much. It had already been driven over with an old excavator and the material was clean and it's been settled. Just getting a rough layout of where the new greenhouse will be sitting. The dimensions are 7 by 14. There was only one corner that was a little soft, so I just used this timber to compact. These timbers were approximately 16 feet long. The greenhouse that we bought had a little bit of an overhang on the front, which added a couple extra feet, so these timbers didn't need to be cut. I figured I could trim them later if needed. These are just 8 by 8 untreated timbers. These are the bottom plates for the top half of the greenhouse. Just getting them lined up and ready to place the trusses. I found this timber that was almost the exact size I needed. It was just over 7 feet. I didn't bother cutting it. I figured I could trim it off later if I wanted to. I was undecided if I was going to put a front timber in because I didn't know if I wanted to have to step up and into the greenhouse. Also, I didn't want to mess with the door opening. It would have been an extra tall door if I'd not put the timber in and just extended the door. Folks, meet my chainsaw.